Hello my beautiful people, so today I'm going to be showing you my spring go-to super cute and easy makeup look. Let's jump right in. So for all of my blemishes, I use the Cover FX in the color N20 and I apply that all over my blemishes and spots that I have imperfections. I also find it super easy to blend it out with my finger, so I just go ahead and do that. Now I'm taking the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in the color Bisque and just applying it all over my face with my fingers. I spread it all over my face first to get majority of the product all over my face, and then I go in with a beauty blender. In with my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and just putting it all over my under eyes. I also added the concealer on my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and then a little bit on my forehead just to highlight. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the color Natural Beige. To bronze my face, I use the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I absolutely love this bronzer. It smells so good and it just looks really natural on my skin. I then took a big fluffy brush and just blended it all out so it doesn't look too harsh. I then went ahead and started to contour my nose a little bit. I usually don't really do this, but I tried something new and it kind of turned out okay. For blush, I went in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the color Peaceful. For eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Medium Brown. For my eyeshadow, I use the Smashbox Ablaze eye palette and I use the color Relaxed for my transition color or just a base color. I then went in with the color Siesta all over my lids. Crease, I went in with the color Throwback, which is a really pretty orangey color, and I built up this color in my crease, as you will see, and it looks really, really good. I then went in with the color Dark Horse, which is a dark brown, and use it as an eyeliner on my top lash line. I also brought a little tiny wing out, as you can see. For mascara, I went in with the Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express. For highlight, I use the Becca Champagne Pop and just put it on all of my high points on my face. For my nose, I actually used my finger to apply it because it was more concentrated and stayed on my skin a lot better. For lips, I went in with the Buxom Lip Gloss in the color Kristen, which is a really nice pinkish sheer color. Hope you guys enjoyed this look and this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Love you guys.